The 7 countries and companies that will explore Mars in the 2021 NASA US. Currently, NASA has 2 rovers on Mars. There are also several Mars orbiters in operation. Perseverance landed on Mars in February 2021. It carries a helicopter named Ingenuity. On April 19, Ingenuity performed the first aerodynamic flight on another planet. There are currently no plans for a manned mission to Mars. A proposed lander called Icebreaker Life may be launched in 2026. For now, NASA's Mars exploration program is gathering data.
The science and technology developed through the Mars exploration program will enable humans to one day explore the Red Planet.
NASA. 2. Roscosmos and ESA. The 2 agencies have an international program called ExoMars. The plan was to launch a lander and rover in 2020, but the launch has been postponed until 2022. The Russian lander Kazachok will deliver the Rosalind Franklin rover. It's an autonomous 6-wheeled vehicle. It will carry a subsurface sampling drill and an onboard lab. The mission will search for biomolecules or biosignatures from past life. 3. JAXA, Japan. Japan is planning to launch a robotic space probe in 2024. It's known as the Martian Moon's Exploration, or MMX. The MMX will bring back first samples from Phobos, Mars' largest moon. This will help determine the origins of Mars moons. The spacecraft will also make several flybies of the smaller moon Deimos. It is expected to return in July 2029. 4. SpaceX. Elon Musk's company has the most ambitious projects. SpaceX's first proposed mission is planned for 2022 or 2024. The Starship spacecraft and Super Heavy rocket will create a reusable transportation system. SpaceX says the system will be capable of refueling on Mars. The first mission will only deliver cargo, but the second mission will be crewed. The company says it will take place in 2024 or 2026. 5. CNSA. China's first Mars mission was Tianwen-1, launched in 2020. The spacecraft successfully entered Martian orbit in February 2021. On May 14, Tianwen-1 landed on Mars. China thus became the 3rd country to reach the Martian surface. The Zhurong rover is currently exploring Mars. No further Chinese Mars missions are in development. 6. MBRSC. The UAE launched its Hope orbiter on July 19, 2020. In February 2021, it successfully reached Mars. The spacecraft was built in the United States. It's a probe for studying weather cycles. The Emirates thus became the first Arab country to reach Mars. 7. ISRO. India. India's Mars orbiter entered orbit back in 2014. It's expected to remain operational until at least 2022. But India is already planning Mars Orbiter Mission 2. It was initially supposed to include a lander, but these plans have been scrapped, and it will be another orbiter. The orbiter will be launched before 2025. Are you excited about Mars exploration?